Bale, nung 2017 to 2019, we were in the UK, and then we did some European tours as well. And then just last year, I did Miss Saigon, Denmark in Danish language.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, in Copenhagen. Yeah.
Wow. Anong role mo?
Yeah.
Anong role mo?
I played the role of Tui.
Tui. Ay,
Yeah,
ang
si
hirap
Tui.
ng kanta
Major
ni
character,
Tui. Sample muna. Sample naman. Kahit 2 lines lang ng kanta ni Tui.
Okay.
Galing yun.
Did you think I'd gone away? I am the man you killed that day. Cold with a bullet inside my chest. My corpse may be sleeping, but my soul won't rest. I'm the crime that you hid. You can try, but you'll never forget what you did. You will never be free. Not as long as there's me.
Galing naman.
Galing, grabe
Kinabot naman
Walang
yung
practice
boses mo.
yun biglaan yun. At wala yung mga mixing ordinary mic lang po ginagamit.
Grabe.
Galing no wonder.
Paano mo na-memorize yung Danish language ng version yan?
The Danish, meron kaming advance na 2 months na lesson with the Danish teacher
Yeah.
before we flew sa Copenhagen at that time. And then additional 1 month na lesson dun sa Copenhagen, and then plus 1 month of yung rehearsals for the show.
How hard was it?
So hard. Yung kasi na-try ko mag-German, mas madali ang German, pero tong Danish mas mahirap siya. Sobrang hirap
Diba?
ng Danish kasi yung di kasi nila iba yung di nila. Unlike sa German, yung ano lang yung
Kaya
parang ganun lang.
ekribirik.
Yeah, ekribirik. Ganun lang sila. Pero ang Danish kasi
Ano ba, good morning in Danish? Ano ba?
Hindi,
Ano ba? Mahirap na.
Bodengode.
Mahirap.
Like,
parang
meron
nabibilaukan ka ng slight.
yeah, parang
Go.
meron kang ano nga daw may
May marble. O
merong bola
bola.
sa bibig mo.
Ngayon ko lang narinig yung ganyan Kasi all the while I thought na kapag nagtutour ka sa Miss Saigon, you're using the English language. Yung pala mag-a-adjust ka.
Merong may countries na they prefer yung kung ano yung language dun sa country na yan.
Wow, amazing. Thanks for sharing your journey. But how has this changed your life as an artist, being a hindi na pala Broadway to, basta stage or musical performer?
It changed my life so much. It's priceless, I would say, yung experience. Kasi I get to travel the world while doing what I love. And I remember nung time na yon, sobrang hindi ako ganun ka-independent pa. So I learned to how to live by myself, to be independent. Kasi grabe yun. At that time, we were rehearsing from like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then, ikaw pa yung magpe-prepare ng food mo, mag-grocery ka, linisin mo yung bahay mo. Dito kasi medyo spoiled ka pagka-artist. May pwede kang mag-PA, di ba? Kasi doon hindi, ikaw lang talaga mag-isa. Yeah. So, ang dami. Hindi lang as a performer, kundi as a person, it made me grow so much.
Galing. And did this open new doors for you as an artist, mga offers or whatever?
Yes, definitely. Yung una-una, of course, yung value mo, it increased dahil international. And then, mga concerts. Actually, nung pagka-uwi ko, I did like 3 concerts right away. But the pandemic came.
Happened,
So,
yeah.
medyo na halt ng konti. And then, I got into movies. Yung may mga military movies agad ako na nagampanan.
Walang
Kasi
kantahan yan,
Walang kantahan yan. It was
talaga.
pure acting, because nakita nila yung portrayal ko ng Tui. Parang sa pictures nakita nila na pwedeng mag-military talaga character. So, yan,
Hindi mo tinry na mag-audition sa mga Broadway plays?
Oo nga.
Actually, sa Broadway kasi may hiwalay na visa for that. So, I need to get that first before I can audition.
Tsaka dapat part ka ng union, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi yun nangyari kay Lea Salonga mismo. Muntik na nga hindi tuloy ng Miss Saigon ni Cameron McIntosh sa New York.
Way
kasi
back,
hindi pa part si Lea ng union
Equity.
of whatever. Equity.
Yeah.
Si
The
pala
actors
yan?
Hindi yan.
Si Alan Kay, di ba? Hindi rin na pa. Muntik na mag-Miss Saigon yun.
Pero yun din ang problem niya. To be part of the...
May mga requirements na ganun eh.
Yeah.
Hamilton, have you ever auditioned
pwede ka
for
rin
Hamilton?
Hamilton, no, I haven't. but if there's an opportunity, why not?
bagay sa'yo.
Actually, sa UK, parang kung magkakaroon ng opportunity, yeah, why not?
Yung Miss Saigon Local Edition, di ba?
Meron
Part-
din yun,
Part ka ba?
For the Manila run
Yeah.
kasi yung Australian cast ang dinala nila.
Oh, I
It's
see.
the Miss
Hindi pala
Saigon Australia.
Filipino cast to.
It's the production, it's Australian production and crew. So,
But that's
although-
weird kasi ang gagaling ng mga Pilipino, ba't di na
Yeah.
maglagay ng Filipino dun sa Manila?
unfortunate lang
God.
yung nangyari na, yun nga, how ironic. Yeah, I did it for like almost 3 years.
Yeah.
And dito pa sa home country na hindi
Oh.
na play, but I'm good.
Open to it?
Like I did it for like 600 plus performances. So sabi nga nila, as Tui, I had my time. Yeah. Yun ang ironic lang talaga na hindi ako yung
Sayang, dito ka
nakapag-play
sana
dito.
mapano. But if they invite
but
you,
it's
you're
okay.
open to it.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yun.
Why not? Yeah.